A majority of a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court today upheld the validity of the 103rd Amendment of the Constitution, which provides 10% reservation for economically weaker sections in admissions and government jobs. 3 judges upheld the Act and 2 judges dissented. Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt passed a dissent order calling the law discriminatory and violative of basic structure. Chief Justice U. Lalit also concurred with the view of Justice S. Ravindra Bhatt. The 103rd Constitutional Amendment was cleared by Parliament in January 2019 and was instantly challenged in the Supreme Court. The case was first presented before 3 judges who referred it to a larger 5-judge bench in 2019. This September, the court held a marathon 6.5-day hearing of the case and reserved its verdict.